All right, guys, we're off to World of Concrete in Las Vegas, where we're going to be checking out the latest and greatest tools, gear, equipment, and innovation coming down the pipeline. Now, today's video is brought to you by LMN. This is a software system that I started to implement inside of my own business, and has actually been fundamental in helping me know my numbers. So if you're a contractor, small business owner, a guy that does landscaping, lawn care, this is something that I'm going to personally highly recommend you check out. And yes, they did sponsor today's video, but honestly, guys, I use it and it's been an amazing resource for me. So I wanted to make sure you guys knew about that. And now let's jump right into the tools, gear, equipment, and innovation. And at the end of the video, tell me which was your favorite today. Let's do this thing. So you've intentionally damaged your table.
Well, to show you how I fix it.
To show us how you fix it. Now this is a tool that actually fixes concrete forms. So you don't, because when you get your concrete forms and you get a chip in it, it just translates into the concrete beneath it. So you guys actually have this system that can repair it.
Yeah. That's it.
And so what we've just done is we've repaired a concrete form on the spot. So a guy doesn't have to throw his concrete forms out. If he's got a chip, a nick, a dent in it, he can fix it and keep using the same form.
That's true.
And that's by Emplica.
That's right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
What are we looking at?
We're looking at our adjustable wrecking bar. It's made out of Swedish boron steel, and it's really good to have because you could adjust the claw position, and you just use your hands to tighten it. And then you could have it in this position, either to twist the 2x4, or you could use it removing nails or removing 2x4s if you...
So can I ask you a question?
Yeah, for sure.
Are you guys the only ones that have that kind of a wrecking bar, or are there other wrecking bars like it?
I haven't seen any like this on the market, and definitely not with the Swedish steel, with those thin claws that you actually could use. So when you need to get in underneath, you would be able to do that. Or if you are removing nails, to get in underneath the nails to be able to pull them up.
So the AquaShot has a built-in water supply in this orange tank. You can put your water ball in there, put the water inside. Once you get the water in, you need to hit the release switch, and now you're in business. Anytime you get over 1,000 RPM.
Yep, I feel it.
Yeah, sorry about that.
A little shower.
It'll feed the water out through that tip.
Okay.
And it's got the same diamond tip as this other system. So it is tipless. You have to start at an angle or use a guide, positioning guide like this. So in this case, I'll use the positioning guide. Platform. And I'm through.
And you're through. And you can turn that porcelain tile into Swiss cheese without breaking it.
Exactly. And look at all these holes. And these were all drilled at the show.
And that's Drill with Miyanaga.
Miyanaga.
So now this is a fully electric wheelbarrow. It can be operated inside or outside both, or is it designed
That
just
is
for
correct.
inside?
No, it's both indoors and outdoors. It shines indoors, obviously. There's no emissions. So, but it doesn't care if it's indoors or outdoors.
Now it can haul up to 1,000 pounds.
It can carry and haul. It can actually carry more than 1,000 pounds, but the actuator will dump 1,000 pounds.
So wait a minute, you were telling me off camera, Dennis, this is not just a wheelbarrow?
It's not just a wheelbarrow. In 1 minute, you can raise the tub up, take these two pins out, take that off, and you can put a flatbed onto it, or you can put a, back behind you, I'm sorry.
Ball hitch.
Vision, but that's a ball hitch attachment. Place that on here, lower it back down. You can move trailers up to 7,500 pounds. There's a built-in charger located right here.
Okay.
So you just plug that in. It will run all day on a charge. At night, plug it in. It's ready to go the next morning.
A full 8-hour day.
Full 8-hour day is a
Non-stop.
piece of cake. Piece of cake.
Where would guys find out more about it if they were interested in it?
www.electricdumper.com.
How much do these things go for, do you know?
Anywhere from $6,500 to $7,200, depending on the tub color.
So what they do, you line up the magnets, and it lines up the pattern. So no matter which way you turn them, they always line up.
So you're talking about concrete forms, right?
Concrete
For
stamps.
stamped, decorative concrete.
Exactly.
No matter how you do it, as long as you got your magnets, you're good.
Yeah, you line up the magnets, the pattern lines up. The best thing about it is that it's totally seamless, and you're not going to be able to see repetition of the stones and the shape of the tools in the concrete. It's very natural and
It just always
seamless.
flows.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
here's the deal. That's one of those things that kind of bugs me about stamped concrete is when you get a bad guy that doesn't take the time to match up the forms and your eye gets drawn to it. And once you see that, you can't unsee that. And that's concrete. That means you're going to see that for a long time.
Yep. The deal with these is that it completely eliminates all that bad work. So it makes the contractor better just by using these tools.
Nice. What is it called? What are you guys called?
We're Proline. We're patented.
So I thought some of you guys that work with concrete and do concrete stamping might appreciate this one. I'm not an expert in it, so I don't know if what I'm seeing is amazing or if it's every day. You guys that work with concrete stamping, let me know what you think in the comments below.
Sorry, what's that? He's demonstrating that we can run them straight as well as at an angle. In the tool, they run at an angle just helps the tool be more random and less eye-catching. So to run them straight.
See how they locked in there?
Now what I want to watch is how the joint spaces line up from one of the forms to the next form. Did they stay dead on? Because that's the line that can really throw you off and make things look goofy forever. So let's take a close look at how that comes out. It really did get those lines to line up. There's the one line from the red one going over it. See how right there that translates. That was red.
Yeah, we get an exact alignment with the magnets. We get the joints stacking right on top of each other. You flip-flop the tools and it completely washes out any transition.
That's my pro line, guys.
Questions, see any of us?
All right, thank you. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, good idea.
So is that a working prototype or is that an actual for-sale exoskeleton?
So this is the first version we did for the prototype. Is made for the military. So when Fraco saw our efficiency with the weapon, they asked us, can you make something for the Mason? So we.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Is this hydraulic?
Do we got battery power running hydraulics, or is this like Blade Runner technology with a
I don't
pulley
want to
system?
go too much into details, but it's not hydraulic. It's more like it does push a piston, and it does activate the mechanism in the articulation. It just locks and hold, like, so I can hold an heavy object if I need to. And the rest of the system is spring cams and cable and elastics.
So I see you have good back support.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So right here, so this is actually supporting your back. So
So right now it's transferring all the load of the actual prototype, the actual EXO, all the way to the ground.
all the way to the ground. So
Yes.
how comfortable is that?
So this like the leg are really tailor fit for me right now. So we're working it to be more adjustable. But like for sure, the last version, like the only reason we're out and we have success is if we're comfortable.
Alright, so let's do a quick. Can you do a spin for me once?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're looking at actual exoskeleton developed for masonry work, heavy lifting. It uses a battery supply. Is that right?
So the battery just assists for it gives the push on the mechanic just to block if I need a block assistance.
How long will the battery hold out for?
So for sure 48 hours
48 hours.
because it just on when you need it and off. It doesn't constantly give power.
So now, can you do one turn for me? I want to show these guys something right there. He's actually transferring the weight from his arms through his hips, through his back, all the way down. He's got that weight transferred all the way to the ground, right? So you're not actually taking the weight on, you're transferring it right down.
Yeah.
What is this called?
This is the Mawashi exoskeleton. So it's an early prototype. So we're gonna have the title for it probably next year.
Perfect, thank you. So what makes this different than a regular sledgehammer? I mean, because it looks different, but what makes it different?
So it's the IsoCore technology, basically behind that. So every swing that you take, it's kind of lined in there so you won't feel the shock down below. So you'll be able to work harder and longer and safer. Take a swing, buddy.
All right, let's see what you think.
Smash is pretty good. All right, so I'm going to help you out here, okay? All right. See how the ends are different? So that's good for really driving like pins in. You turn around the other way, that's good for splitting concrete. So hit it with this end. Perfect. I didn't get the tutorials. Oh! There you go. Oh!
So what, hey guys, was there less vibration in your hands?
Yeah, it was
Absolutely,
good.
yeah.
Yeah, really?
Way better than wood handle.
So they're not really BSing you on that one?
No.
Hey, you guys, one thing I'll tell you that not everybody knows about Fiskars is it's got a lifetime warranty, like forever.
Oh, really?
Seriously, if you guys just don't lose it, you guys can run it over with a tractor, smash it in half, just don't tell them how you break it, and you can bring it back to any store or just email a picture to these guys and they'll send you a brand new hammer.
Really?
You never buy another hammer ever again.
Is that all Fisker products?
That's
All
everything
Fiskars.
Fiskars owns. Take a picture if you break it, email it to them, and they send you a new one. That crap right there is worth the extra money you spend. Just don't let your buddies walk off on it because there's a downside with that.
All right, guys, well, that's our video for today, but the footage continues. We've still got more coming to you guys from World of Concrete. And then we've also got Con Expo, which is an event that only comes around once every 3 years. And the wild thing about this year's Con Expo is the COVID-19 virus actually shut it down a day early. But before that happened, I was able to get a lot of really cool footage from the CAT booth, Volvo booth, ASV, the Mechalek booth, just a ton of really cool videos. So make sure you guys go check those out, because if you guys like the different kinds of tool videos that I put out there, these videos are the same thing but featuring heavy equipment. And that's our video for today. Whatever you guys do, I hope it's a great day for you guys. God bless, and go get them. And maybe we'll catch you guys on one of these videos here, or do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and share the video with your friends. We'll see you next time.